The fundamental of electrical generator are covered in the quiz. The Fleming's left-hand rule is applicable for motor or generator. It is applicable for motor. Forefinger, center finger and thumb of left hand are kept mutually perpendicular to each other. If forefinger points in the direction of flux, center finger in the direction of current, then thumb points in the direction of motion. Short pitch winding increases or decreases harmonics. Harmonics means higher frequency component. This means that phasor of harmonic is running faster. In case of a full pitch winding, arithmetic addition is done to obtain resultant EMF. When winding is made short pitch, phasor of harmonic runs faster. Resultant EMF in case of harmonic reduces drastically. In a Fleming's right-hand rule, thumb points in the direction of motion, flux or current. Thumb points in the direction of motion. Thumb contains letter M and motion starts with letter M. In a generator region, electromagnetic torque opposes or aids rotation. Let poles are rotating anti-clockwise. With respect to poles, conductors are rotating clockwise. Applying Fleming's right-hand rule, current in top conductor is outward and in bottom conductor it is inward. Applying Fleming's left-hand rule, force on top conductor is towards left and on bottom conductor is towards right. Since the stator conductors are fixed, opposite forces are applied on poles. The electromagnetic torque opposes rotation. What is the direction of induced EMF in top conductor when north pole is below conductor and poles are rotating anti-clockwise? With respect to poles, conductor is rotating clockwise. Applying Fleming's right-hand rule, direction of induced EMF in the conductor is outward. In a pilot exciter or brushless excitation system, armature winding is on stator or rotor. It is on stator. First, let us understand difference between field winding and armature winding. Field winding produces magnetic field. In armature winding, EMF is induced due to change in magnetic field. There are permanent magnets in the rotor of pilot exciter. As these rotate, EMF is induced in armature winding. AC produced in armature winding is rectified by a thyristor bridge. DC obtained is fed into field winding of main exciter. In a DC excitation system, main exciter is separately excited or self-excited. It is separately excited. Pilot exciter is self-excited. DC produced by pilot exciter is fed into field winding of main exciter. DC produced by main exciter is fed into field winding of generator. In case load angle is negative, synchronous machine is working as motor or generator. First, let us understand power angle curve. It is a curve between output electrical power PE and load angle delta. Load angle negative means load angle is between 0 and minus 180 degree, or load angle is between 180 and 360 degree. PE is negative in this region. Instead of synchronous machine supplying power, it is receiving power. That is, it is working as a motor. What is the permissible temperature in class F insulation? In most of the machines, you will find class F insulation. Permissible temperature in class F insulation is 155 degrees centigrade. Tangent delta is a ratio of capacitive current and resistive current, or it is a ratio of resistive current and capacitive current. Only capacitive current flows in ideal capacitor. It leads voltage by 90 degrees. Due to impurities, resistive current also flows in insulation. The resultant current makes an angle delta with vertical. Tangent of delta is called tan delta. Tan delta is a ratio of resistive current and capacitive current.